So today I'm going to show you how to use fuel stabilizer, and that's going to help keep your gas good from 1 to 2 years, and it'll also help to store your equipment. So make sure you run this gas through your equipment before you store it over the winter time. Just basically it gives you an easier start in the spring. So what you want to do with this product is you're going to use approximately 1 ounce of the fluid per 2.5 gallons. So to use it for a 5-gallon tank, you'd fill this up twice basically to get 2 ounces in. So all you do, open up the gas, basically pop a little hole in there. Got 1 ounce, I'm going to add 1 ounce to here. And if you wanted to do it for a full 5 gallons, you do it a second time. To fill it up, all I'm doing is basically squeeze. You get to that at 1 ounce level and you're good. So for a 5-gallon tank, we do it twice. I'm gonna mix that up because I need to use it. Now I'm gonna put some in my gas tank, and for the last mow of the year, I'll make sure to run it through. What you want to do is make sure it goes actually through the engine, so you want to let it run for a few minutes. That way it's in the carburetor and everything. So the reason why this really helps, basically fuel, like gasoline, when it sits in an engine, it can do a lot of damage. Really, it's the carburetors on these systems. Basically they get gummed up, and then once they get gummed up, they're clogged, and then basically you can't get them to start, and then you have to clean them out or get a replacement carburetor or something along those lines. So alright, that's probably the most common cause of why your yard equipment will fail, is because it's not fuel stabilized. So if you're going to store it, either make sure you run all the gas out of it and make sure everything's dry so that there's no gas left in it, or the other option you have is use a fuel stabilizer and make sure that the gas stays good in the carburetors and things like that. I try to run my engines out so that they're dry over the winter, but this is an extra level of protection.